It's August 20th, 2022. A lot more tomatoes are now ready to harvest. Here you can see quite a few already. Here's a lot more. It's over the plants. And the blueberries. Just a few more berries to harvest. I think it's pretty much done for this season. And let's check out the peppers. This is the Cuban sweet pepper. Quite a few peppers forming on this plant. They're all getting quite big. This is the biggest one. Still green. Here's the shishito pepper. Some more peppers over the plant. Tomatoes covering up the jalapeno. But let me show you some of the jalapeno peppers, like that one over there. And this one, I think this is the biggest one we have right now. And here's the raspberries. A lot of fruits still forming. And over here, quite a few fruits that are ready to be harvested. Looking very juicy. Here's the moss rose. If you look closely, you can see flowers forming from the tip of each of the branches. Can't wait for the flowers. They're quite splendid. Over here's the ground cherry. Seedlings are doing quite well. And here you can see some more seeds are germinating. And here's the harvest. Lots of tomatoes. Here are the juicy raspberries and shishito peppers that I harvested today. And here are the blueberries. You can see the numbers are decreasing. And the tomato, on the other hand, is getting a little bit out of control. Here's all the tomatoes that was harvested today. And again, here's the tomato plants that I cleaned up. You can see the jalapeno is now free from the tomato branches. Over here's the mint, recovering quite nicely. No sign of powdery mildew anymore. Basils, let's check the flower. Looks pretty much the same as a few weeks ago. And a quite interesting thing is forming from the bonsai, the ficus bonsai. Some aeration roots, I believe that's what it's called. Basically, it's some roots that collect moisture from the air.